Coachetta so bomb, she the bumpy. Hairstyle, lifestyle, vlogs on the way. What's up, tribe? Thanks for stopping on the CoChetta page. I'm so excited to share these new products I got. This video is going to be focusing on the cozy acrylic nail system. Check it out if you're interested. This kit has everything you need, from monomer to a dap and dish, nail glue, clippers, a primer, top coat, and 3 different powders. Also included some plastic nail formers, nail file, tips, various color acrylics, and 3 brushes, a size of 4, 8, and a 12. And some directions on the side. With the very strong smell coming from the box, I am happy to see that everything is sealed up, closed, and nothing has spilled. Extra sealed. This is not a tutorial. Exit the video if you're looking for one. Stick around if you're interested in watching me, a nail biter, go through my trial and errors of learning how to do my nails. I know there are some nail techs ready to jump through the screen because of my poor technique while using this e-file. Anyone who's not a professional like me, please remember I am not a professional and I'm doing this all the way wrong. You're not supposed to go left to right, then right to left. You should pick one direction to file in and stick with it. Filing back and forth creates splits and ragged edges that prevents the nails from growing in smoothly next time. Using some tips I have at home, I'm just going to match them to my nails for a perfect fit. If they're a little too large, I'm just going to file it down. My favorite YouTube nail tech does this to the inside of her tips, so I'm gonna do it too. And unfortunately, this is where the problem begins. The glue would not budge. I cut it off a little bit by a little bit and still the same. Cut it all the way down and nothing comes out. So we're on to the second glue stick. Same exact thing. I cut it all the way to the bottom. Still nothing comes out. And the final glue stick. Yep, you guessed it. Same thing. Nothing. Because there's no glue, I have to try something new. Nail forms. I've never used a nail form to create a nail before, so let's see how this works. My favorite nail tech usually puts this little piece at the bottom so it doesn't stick to our fingers, so I'm going to try the same thing. I've struggled trying to create this nail, and now the nail form no longer sticks. So let's take it off and see what it looks like, shall we? It looks pretty bad, but that's what I was expecting. And this time I did not stick that extra piece in the back. Hopefully that will help it stick a little bit better. I still feel like I have to hold it in place because it might pop off. I don't know. Well, this is what it look like. Trash. Let's see what acrylic looks like on my tiny nails without the nail forms. It's all fun when you're practicing. Here's the finished product of my left hand and my right hand. This is just acrylic. I did take them off immediately, but in the next clip, you can see I did file one hand just to see what it looked like. So I'm cleaning the brush and it comes out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use another brush and try my best not to clean it too hard. I'm thinking I took all these nails off because they looked like crap. This side is looking bad, but it looks better. But yeah, like this kit, first it was the glue sticks that sucked. Now the brushes are falling apart. And that's a wrap, folks. When I got home, I tried to do some Beetles gel nails, all in the name of practice. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in watching me learn how to do my nails. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.